This is Nate. Nate's job is to make your next car service as convenient as possible. This is Joanne. She's using our new time saver service. Nate is going to take your car back to the shop and have it serviced, detailed, and returned, all while Joanne goes on about her day. Our average customer spends an hour and a half of their day dealing with dropping off their car and picking it up. Even with services like our shuttle and loaner cars, you still have to spend that hour and a half dealing with car maintenance. Until now. Introducing the Time Saver Service by OMS. We pick it up, keep you informed via our app including pics of everything we see. Then we wash your car and bring it back to you. All for no additional cost, so you can spend that time doing all that you need to do. Lost time will never be found again. Time can either be honored or let down. Let us help you honor it. Try our service for free today. Message us any way you want.